What's up, guys? It's Herbie with the Herb and Peach channel. How are you doing today? Thank you for coming through. Thank you for everyone who's bringing up those view counts. Yo, today we're going to be talking about Japanese multiplication, quote unquote. I don't know if this is really true, but I just see it on X and Twitter. It's a video of like how this is how Japanese students do maths, according to at It's Me, yours truly. Have you guys ever seen this? I saw some of this video and then I wanted to show you guys because I find it actually pretty fascinating. It's like a visual, it's very visual, so you gotta look at this. So my question was like, where did you get that one from? But I just didn't look at it. I guess I looked away at that time. But yeah, he's carrying over from this one. This is wild. They're using a different color here for the zero. But I imagine like bamboo sticks. Maybe because they mentioned Japanese. Or she, okay. How do you deal with that? Wait, what? How did she deal with the zero there? So, as you guys can see, if you made it this far in the video, by the way, consider dropping a like if that's something you like to do. So, check it out. So, we see like these two bamboo sticks. Which represent the 2 from here, 3 bamboo sticks that way, represented with the 3 there, 102, so 1 stick, and then a purple 0 stick, and then a 2 stick, and then where they cross is the number value for a particular place. And I was saying earlier how this actually is really fascinating to me because it kind of reminds me of what I was talking about in the last video that I had about math, which is that once I was introduced to like higher numbers being seen not as tremendously large numbers, but just smaller numbers, but placed into specific roles. Like this first one, or this 2 right here is like 2 times 10 to the first 0 power. The next spot is 10 to the first power, and then the next one is 10 to the second power. So it's like they just take roles of like placements physically of like different bases. So this kind of representation of numbers I find actually really interesting because it does emphasize simple low amount of numbers, you know, like very manageable visually, and then simply inserting them into a particular role. I just find that super interesting, just thinking about like numbers as not a gigantic amalgamation of like individual numbers combined, but familiar numbers like 0 through 9, but just made to play the role of certain placements. And I think this kind of helps represent that in a really interestingly visual way. So, but what I'm wondering here anyway, beside my little rant, is where did they get this 3 from? See the 2 and the cross there. I might just be missing something. Let me know. I'm just stupid sometimes. I'll admit it. At least I'm honest, at least enough to admit it. I guess... Oh, because normally you would add these ones. But since there's nothing there, it's just a 3. I'm stupid. Okay, so 2 3. Wow, that's so interesting. 2,346, really interesting. Did you know? I didn't know. I didn't know that. I did not. Very interesting. If you guys like this video, share it with someone that you think would find it interesting. I found it super interesting. Share it with any geeks or non-geeks alike, or nerds or non-nerds alike. Have a great day. This is Herbie with the Herb and Peach channel.